How's everyone been? How's everyone been, Whānau? How was your guys' New Year's? Who put on quite a bit of weight over the festive season? I did. The main CEO? The main CEO. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Doing great, my friend. Brookshire the King. All you, brother, all you. How you been, Thunder? Coldish, could be worse. And missed the streams. Oh, my bad, brother. Sick. Hey. Always pick on weight. Hey, me too, brother. Me too. My mum made so much food I had to freeze it, bro. That's usually mean because you got leftovers for ages. New Year's was great. I went to bed at 10:30. Nice, bro. Nice. I think we all did. Yeah, we're still working through leftovers. You would have had mean leftover or like kaya in general there, I imagine, especially where you are. Oh yeah. I know this is proper random, but you have some nice eyes. Thanks. Cheer, bro. Thank you. We'll carry on catching up. Oh well, miraculously the bit rate on the bag is low as. But is everything through the camera coming through good? If it is, bro, we carrying on. You dropped this. Oh, thanks, brother. You have it though. All yours. How's everything over there? Good. We'll discuss a few things through the Half Pie News, but other than that, HP Boys was here over the weekend. I didn't go, but yeah. Doing good, bro. Popped over there. Yeah. Oh, Carl's Jr. And you love your Carl's Jr. I mean, it's not bad. How can I donate? Scroll down, OG, and I'll see you soon. End. Okay, we're gonna do some of this. I'm so glad to see this project again. Yeah, I was itching to get some carving in over the Christmas period, but obviously family. Gotta do that first. Always. Now where's my chisel? Yeah, HP Boys were over in Thunder's area. On top of that, R&V over the New Year's period too. Yeah. Give me that button. Hey, I said I'd bring it back. I said I'd bring it back when I feel like it. Cheer, brother Valoon. How are you? And to be honest, I don't feel like it at all. Maybe when I want to. Maybe. Mr. Lopez, thank you very much for the bits, Bella. Not the asking to get banned, just for that you're not gonna get banned. Shame. What you wanna ban for? It's just a stream. Okay, we are looking for a small chisel. Mr. Lopez, thank you very much for the bits, my brother. You didn't have to say that. Oh, come on, bro. Shit. Not sure if those are for me or baby. Yo, sturdy butter, my bro. Thank you very much for the 10 gifted. So I got the 600 from. That was $600. What the hell, bro? Wait, no, it's not. You got $600 and you're using it. I bloody hope there's not 600. Joe Hammereza. How are the boys? The king has returned. Hey, I did watch Lord of the Rings over the weekend, so yes. And The Hobbit. I think I like The Hobbit more though, but bro, Lord of the Rings is gangster as well. Especially Aragorn. Where's my... Oh, there it is. Bro, you sound like Korg. Hey mate, my name's Korg. Yeah, a majority of us have that certain accent. Well, we didn't even think it's an accent, to be honest. There you go. Leave just that section to do. This face needs to be dropped as well. Yeah, good. Damn it, get down. Oh my god. Rhythmic Wake, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Holy shit. Enjoy the vibe of your channel, keep up the good work and keep safe. Oh, much appreciated, brother. Shit, man, thank you. Mr. Lopez, thank you once again for the bits, brother. I think the things I like the most about The Hobbit, probably Beorn being one of them, and Thorin. Bro, that's a mean title though, King Under the Mountain. What was the other thing? Oh, his cousin on a pig. Bro, he makes riding a pig look cool. Oh, it's a kune really. Got a box, I am halfway through my first carving. Che, inspired from you. Thanks bro, all the best for this year. Yo, NZ boy. Beautiful to hear, brother. Can't wait to see. Oh, you should show us your process, bro. How it's going. Are you enjoying it? What have you found out in terms of your processes as well? But bro, thanks for sharing, brother. That's all I'm doing it for, my bro. Is just to inspire, well, hopefully, show our younger generation of Māori tamariki or kids that you don't have to, well, it's totally up to them. Don't have to play Among Us or Fortnite. You can follow the path that our ancestors have left, maybe. Foothouse, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. And Resonated Queso, you got my support, brother. Yo, thanks for the 2 months, my bro. Yeah, NZ, if you can, throw it in the Discord, brother. I usually just check out the channels when I can. Especially the art one and the pets. Bought myself a cam, so hopefully my face will do a stream shortly. Nice, bro. Yeah. Hit us up when you do. I'll come and have a watch. Always. Bro, this dude's going hard. He must be trying to pull some birds. Get it? Where's the snow? Where? We're in summer. Okay, straighten up this, I'm gonna call it a rubber band. I haven't even seen the new Vikings either. I'm a bit behind as well. In terms of a lot of seasons. But hey, it's all good. It looks pretty good though. Bring the winter already. Yeah, hard. I hate summer. Pick your guitar back up. Cheer after 20 years. Oosh, mean brother, Foothouse. Oosh, if you got any chance, bro. Lenny. That's my favourite guitar, I don't know how you say it, solo song. Cheer, Rubber Dub. It's one of my favourite guitar songs, brother. Was able to play it, but obviously with the old DMCA, we cannot. Yeah, probably a bird's nest. There was a bird trying to make a nest in our power box yesterday. I went, don't go in there unless you want to be Kentucky Fried. I was like, don't do it. Usually people try to stay here till ages. Stats bloke, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Hey, Happy New Year's everybody that's come through. Sorry I'm a bit late. Yep, it's my first stream of the year. And yeah, it's going good so far. But much appreciated, brother. My name's Brox. Everyone that's just joined, if you have any questions about me, what I do, yeah, feel free to ask. It's all good. Rubo, thank you very much for the sub. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. But thank you very much. Okay. Have you streamed at all, Barbaro Thunder? Just been chilling. Thanks, Assassin Soul. Rubber Dub, I'll probably be doing JT's mask in 2 others at the same time, but mainly focusing on JT's piece. There we go. Just dropping this, I don't know what you'd call it, end of the ponytail? Or the beard tail. Yo, Soul Zero, thank you for gifting a sub to Stats Bloke. Cheer, my bro. How are you? Good. Slightly on the hungry side, but hey, I am good. Dieting, but hey, I'm good. No, only on New Year's, bro. Just taking a break from online stuff. Me. Not me. Hope you and the whānau are good too, bro. I'll be putting a finish on it myself. Dirty. Probably be a dark stain, maybe. I don't know. I might like Google their wood carvings, or I believe they stone carve more, but see what like natural colours they use and go over that. Not Ubisoft, but our native cousins in Scandinavia and Scandinavians and our Iceland cousins. Another lefty. Left side is the best side. You know that, my friend. Okay, I'm looking for a 2. I was hoping we wouldn't come back to looking at the beard again, but we have to. Because I done this side a bit too perfect. I was like, damn it! Like, oh well. Carry on. Eric. I was gonna say Edu. Yo, Prodigy was taken. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, for the bits, my bro. Hope you had a good stream to Stats. I'll call you brother bloke. Yeah, that's the bro Eddie. Oh, Eric. It's like, my name's Paul, your name's Eric. Your name's Eddie. Was extremely nice, thank you. Nice, brother. Your name's not Eric, it's Edu. It's weird you calling me Eric. Jiggy, shit, you're up early, brother. Okay, I need to make this rubber band on this side a bit not too perfect. It's a bit too perfect for my liking. Aaron. Eric. Yeah. That's right. Okay, I was gonna start with a big canvas thunder, but I think I'll start with a smaller one first. Because I seen this big ass one at my mum's house and I was gonna take it. I'm up early. You done any hair flicks in the year? Yeah, bro, I actually have. I was at the beach, believe it or not. I was practicing my Baywatch. And then, hello, 2 orcas and a shark showed up in Ohope. I was like, okay, I don't think they like it. I was like, true, yeah. Made fishing a bit annoying, the father-in-law was saying. Okay, Robbie, I'll do that. Okay, after the hair flick we might even have half pie news. So that here and half pie news in the chat. You ever tried bison meat? Nah, isn't that a sacred animal? To the Native Americans, or the real Americans. Hey, these ones there. Okay, a hair flick was redeemed, ladies and gentlemen. How'd you spend New Year's? Just with whānau family. Here we go. Oh! You're lucky I brushed my bloody hair today. Okay, here we go. Believe it or not, I'm cutting my hair too.
I can play high.
Here we go. Woo. 20, 21. Look over there. There's the wind. No. Here we go. Feel like Triple H in. Okay, let me turn me here. Jimmy, thank you very much for the sub, my boy. That area though. Yeah, I'm cutting my hair that much where my hand is down. Bro, if I was allowed, bro, thunder. If I was allowed to cut my hair, I'd straight get a number 2 in. Okay. Here we go, half pie news. Early one. Get your questions ready, ladies and gentlemen, because we are about to hit the half pie news for the first year. For the first time this year. Okay. Let me get my voice up. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, 2021 here, as you can see in the present, as you look around, it is 2021, but as the saying goes, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. 2021, ladies and gentlemen, the first news for the 2021 half pie section. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome once, welcome twice, welcome thrice. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brooks and I am your host for this said afternoon on a sunny day with the half pie news. So ladies and gentlemen, a lot has happened over the past few festive days. So as you all know, some of the world is still in lockdown due to coronavirus, but ladies and gentlemen, some lad, some person has created coronavirus 2.0 that spreads faster and also infects faster as well. So ladies and gentlemen, just like the Pokemon, how the grass is weak against the fire and the fire is weak against the water type, ladies and gentlemen, we were going to be stronger than this coronavirus because we have the power of introvertism. So what are we going to do? We're going to sit inside. We're going to play games. Obviously, coronavirus can't penetrate a house wall. Well, not yet, that's for sure. So ladies and gentlemen, sit inside, play some games. If not, cook some kai. Hashtag food. Ladies and gentlemen, other than that, if you have to go outside, probably want to wear a mask because, you know, take our country for example. We wore masks. We followed the rules. We had a summer festival. So take the example, use it in your own country. If not, then you probably be still stuck inside. Clocked all your games, can't play anything else, and that would be hard. So ladies and gentlemen, for the Rona, don't want to have a boner against that section. So ladies and gentlemen, what we usually do within the half pie news, if you're new here, ladies and gentlemen, we tell the news, but not as good as mainstream. So we usually pop over to the side where we're going to get some questions from the chat, whether they're fast enough or not, but yeah, we'll see what they have to say. Now chat, fire through some questions as I continue to talk a whole lot of crap while you fire away. So ladies and gentlemen, on another note, hope you all had a good New Year's. What did I do? I may have sunk in a few bevies, but not to the point where I was shit-faced. But yeah, I felt good, feel good, put on a bit of weight, just like our, how would you say it, two continents meet, well, picture my mighty legs touching. So usually what happens is chat puts a question in, but new year, new them, they don't want to put a question in. So ladies and gentlemen, something else that's been happening lately as well. Let's think about it for a little moment, and then boom, still thinking about something. So what I've planned to do this year, obviously lose weight again. It's not hard, it should be good. Before we carry on, Hoax W, thank you very much for the raid. You've just dropped in for the Half-Fire News, where we talk about mainstream stuff going on, but just not as good as mainstream media. So on another note, ladies and gentlemen, what I've seen around the world are clouds. What do those clouds hold? Weather such as rain. And sometimes they also block the sun from hitting the earth. So what does that mean? It's a cloudy day for us with a sunny break coming through the clouds, as you can see, with the sun shining around us, as you can see now. So ladies and gentlemen, quite a average, not over the top weather kind of day here, where we usually have like 4 different seasons in one day. So ladies and gentlemen, chat's still not answering any bloody questions or asking, so we'll have to carry on and see what everyone has to say. So ladies and gentlemen, about the new year, hope you're all doing well. Don't be like Tim the Tapman for the sports section as well, and keep saying the Cowboys are going to win when they won't. So keep the predictions to an all-time low, and maybe your team will get it, so the extra butt hurt doesn't kick in when your team said loses. So other than that, other sports I have seen, not really much at all. No rugby, no tennis. Well, even though tennis is on, I don't watch soccer or football. No offense to anyone that's watching around the world. Yeah, I think what we're all waiting for is the Olympics. Well, for me personally, I'm just waiting for the opening ceremony, because they're going to have Goku and Super Mario. So ladies and gentlemen, since the chat has no questions whatsoever, I don't see a Q next to any of the questions. Yep, don't see anything. Where can I buy that microphone? You just walk into the forest, select a tree, don't cut it down, choose one that's on the ground, draw out said shape, and obviously cut it out, and use a rasp. Now we have a question, favourite Pokemon? Well, if I had to say from a generation, I'd probably say I'm a Blastoise man myself. Kia ora. So, as I'm improvising, looking for some questions to have a look at, can we all go out of our way and wish a very happy birthday to Donnie Dings? Hard life being a very talented man, also a special man who has his birthday every day. Orc or troll, definitely orc, but hey, sometimes trolls are good too because of the accent. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have no more questions, I don't see any Q's next to the comments, so hold on, just having a look. Favourite generation from Pokemon, I would have to say the 4th. Why? Electivire, Torterra, here it is, that's all. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a question from Donnie. How was your New Year's? No, get out of it. Okay, how was my New Year's? It was slightly slow, but slightly good, because I was with family. So please, ladies and gentlemen, wish Donnie a happy birthday. I only see one person doing it, and it is obviously the leader of the pack of the Green Sword, the mighty Maud, the Maud of all mods, the Maya, the Raki Raki, the Green Sword Raki Raki as well. So ladies and gentlemen, please follow her example and wish Donnie a happy birthday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will not linger on Half-Fire News too long, so I'm going to answer 2 more questions. What is your favourite board game? Probably Snakes and Ladders, because I won all the time when we had power cuts at home when I was young. So, final question. Do you like Dark Souls? Well, good sir, I have not played Dark Souls yet. I hear it's a very infuriating game. Maybe when I finally catch a pre-order for a PS5, I may look into playing it. But other than that, I will still be playing well, still doing Torghast, because my renown is quite low compared to others. It's at 8. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, I still need to do that Torghast run too, and gear up when my characters are almost ready for Raid, which is obviously LFR. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the saying goes, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Happy New Year, the first half pie news of the year. And wear a mask. Cheers. John Campbell ain't got shit. Hey, don't talk about our uncle like that. He's our favourite news reporter. Okay, we'll do a bit of this today, and then we'll jump on JT's piece, and we should be good. Don't lie, Donnie, it's your birthday. Why you gotta lie, Donnie? Okay. Okay, this sword needs to be smaller. Good morning, Aman. I don't see you denying the fact that it's your birthday. Yeah. Everyone don't know what Marcy means other than us and some of the bros. They might think it's Maserati. Yeah, that's right. It's the spiritual successor to Billy T's. Found me a new bag. I pinched it. This won't stop. Looking good, brother. Cheer, Irish. But now it's cancelled. True, Rubber-Dub. Straight up. It's a Maserati. Do, 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 do. Here we go. Cheer, Freedom. Cheer, my bro. Hold on, fams. Just doing this. Gonna redraw this arm. Just wanna move this arm. Honestly, done it a bit wrong. So I asked you this. Do you plan out the design? Yeah, I've got them behind the camera. Things that Ubisoft has sent through. Ubisoft. Okay. Then we'll have to lift that up. So it might even come here. Okay. Hey Brox, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Victor. Cheer, my bro. Big moves, Barry. Yeah, Barry. Cheers for the 2 months, brother. Sure, JT. Yeah, I missed it too, but yeah, I had to spend some time with the whānau. It was good though, it was a good rest. Okay. Go to be to the God. Iti mata mahi. Ikorero te iwana mahi. Ura. Kodehoi kona atu. Do you have any advice on keeping up with your tools? I'm getting my first chisels and I don't want to break them, so I thought I'd ask. Brother, to be honest, there are gonna be points where your chisels will break. You can't really avoid that unless you're carving really soft wood, which is MDF most of the times. But it's a good lesson to teach you how to sharpen as well. So what I use to maintain my chisels at the moment is a whetstone, which you can purchase from hardware stores. Well, here you can. I'm not sure about where you are, brother, but surely I'd be surprised if they didn't, to be honest. We're gonna do you, arm. Yeah, but most of the time, brother, I just use a whetstone, my bro. Majority of the time, that's for sure. Yeah, there's gonna be moments where you break your chisels, brother. You really can't avoid that. It's just do it anyway. I've done it many times. I think the worst break I've ever seen is someone split their chisel up the middle and they had to grind all that section off. And we just told them, oh well, get to sharpening. It's a really good skill to have in terms of, well, I would say any wood crafting. Yeah. Yeah, brother. But the main thing I would say, don't be scared to chip if your chisel's chipped off. It will happen. Where's me thingy? There it is. Oh! God damn my feet. Sorry guys, just prepping this thingy. Mihima! Whakaaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa āmene. Ki mea mate nui a hui ngā tōku pāma. Yeah, so this is what I'm following. No, Giga, it's just on YouTube. Some of our haka groups that we have in our culture. So every 2 years we have like a national competition, and yeah, there's so teams from around the country come to participate, even as far as Australia. Hi, Miss Shady, kia ora. Okay, where's my pencil again? Oh, there it is. Hold on, fams, just trying to do this thingy. Okay, here we are. Demo kopuna demotsu. Pile pile tekura. Oh, tekura. Pile pile tekura. Yeah, it's summer for us at the moment, brothers. Cheer, Crepula. Hope everyone had a good bloody New Year's. Well, shout out to everyone that was saying we're not making it through 2020. Shame on your undies. And this was in Jan, but I wasn't even streaming then. It's hot in Perth. Yeah, I'd hate to live there. It's like when my cousin comes back from Perth and he's like, "Ah, it's cold here." I was like, "Bro, I'd love to feel the cold. It's hot and it's summer." Uzomon, hey, aloha, brother. Cut all of that off now. What kind of music are you listening to? Just some traditional Māori groups, bro. Kapaka teams, as we call them. So if you think it's someone in the background, it's not. So to anyone that's new, so with what I usually do, traditional Māori wood carving, it plays a big part in all the teachings we have today, which have been passed down. So we had no formal written language, So we had methods of passing down the knowledge we had through song and dance, which you can hear at the back there. That was one method. Through song and dance, which we call Te Whare Tapere, which is the house of obviously song and dance. Another one was haka. So you guys will know kamate, and that form of performance we have today. And another one was this, well not this here, but wood carving that I normally do on stream. Think that after my uni degree you might move to NZ from Oz. Sure brother, yeah, uni. God damn. Happy New Year Ziggy, cheer my bro. Ekuyane eteho. Yeah, as I was saying before, I'm with traditional Māori wood carving. It was another form of storytelling, or just showcasing one ancestor in particular. With Māori wood carving, we didn't carve anyone that was living. We only carved the dead. It's like there have been instances where I get some pompous dude. He goes, "I want you to carve me." I was like, "Whoo, you're the man, eh?" He's like, "I just want you to carve me." It's like, "Whoo, when's your funeral?" And he got confused. He was like, "Hey, what do you mean?" I was like, "Bro, we only carved the dead." Is your wood cutter sharp? It's cutting pretty good, I would say. Timuira, nah, he doesn't do a haka on the show, but the way we fight, you'll see it in his face, eh? Like the weapon he uses, I don't know if anyone's seen Mando yet with Boba Fett, so you might want to mute. It's similar to how we fight, well, it pretty much is. But he pretty much used the weapon that was from the series instead of like giving him a taiaha, a traditional Māori weapon, and putting it in the Star Wars universe. A senior quote. Are you graduating, bro? Do you like Hex Crypto? Have no idea what that is. Sounds smart. So probably not. Yeah. Come past a few guys, can you carve me please in a figure? So, okay, let me tell you something. So I took him to a meeting house and look at all these figures in here. He's like, yep, I see them all. No one in this house is alive. And he got taken back a bit. So like, so you get who we carve, eh? And he went quiet for a bit there. Hey, cheer. Cheer, Shane. How you been, bro? Still playing Rogue? Yeah, I don't know what I should do for my senior quote. If that was me, we don't have senior quotes here, but shit, what would I say? It's pretty much the one I've been living by for a long time. Our legacies are our deeds, so the things we do in this world are left for the ones who may use it when we're gone. So one big thing for me is carving. So the legacy we leave for the next generation, those are the things, those are the good deeds we leave. Well, that's just what I think, if that makes sense. was quite surprised by that quote when I heard it, so I just thought about it, and it does make sense. Don't mind the coughing, it's on the video. It makes a lot of sense. Still carving the rogue up, one-shotting them coffees. Yeah, this is Upper Nui. How's the Torghast? Been running Torghast lately. Who's that? Hello? Hello? Onlooker, yeah, I've trained there. I don't really feel like going back there. And you can't do that kind of stuff there unless you get permission. Could fall through the ground. Bernie, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. It's like Mrs. Brooks, she suggested carving down at the heads next to the sea. It was like, it's too obvious. Some out the gate people might come and I don't know, try to touch my hair. Maybe somewhere private, I don't know. I only do my 8s to get weeklies. Ash, always welcome to get free carry with me. What's that on, bro? Are you doing arenas or Torghast? Bro, I'm still trying to learn how to play arenas, eh? I ended up banning someone last night too. Someone's friend got coronavirus in my last stream, and he clipped it and just put, like, you know, laughing as the title, and I didn't like that, so I banned him. Same in the arena though, if you want to hit it. True, yeah, I just want that city, that's about it. I don't care about rating. Hit me up. Jakey, thank you very much for the sub as well, my brother. Happy New Year. Where would you recommend to see the sights? That's not cool. So Queenstown is very scenic, along with Cathedral Cove. Is it in Coromandel, I believe? Yeah, someone was joking about coronavirus and that triggered me, so I banned them. I was like, I'd love to see you in person and ban you in person, but really, no. Stop the little in his face. No. Why are you playing white? Because it's I'm allowed? What do you mean? Oh yeah, I see them doing a remake, eh? For what is it? Is it the Switch? Well, it's the only bloody console they got. Yeah, nah, that triggered me a lot, eh? So it, catch you up, bro. I was just scrolling through the clips when I got home, and yeah, I seen it, and I was not happy. I'll say that much. Yeah, I was not happy. KFC console. Oh yeah, I heard that's a thing, eh? due to the virus, and someone last say we were crazy not to be worried. Some people, man. The virus is not real. Why are you listening to them? Oh wait, go catch it please so we can see. That's all I say. Go catch it, dude. That's dope as shit, too much. But I think a remake's been in high demand by a lot of people, eh? Who's this? Cheer Game Beast and Sebastian, Happy New Year's. Hope yous are well. Is there anything cool game-wise coming out this year? Bro, I'm so not in the know, eh? There we go. Got around this arm. What's the time there? Oh, daytime. Yeah, no, it's like 20 to 3. Ever carved the surfboard? Nah, bro. Green Scar. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated. You didn't have to. And a big happy New Year's to you too, brother. Ooh. Hey, it's you, brother Nomad. Oh, I mean, Rima. Hey. Brickanista. Anista, thank you very much for the sub, man. Oh, for the raid, sorry. Left me bloody brain last year. Much appreciated, thank you very much. I hope you had a good stream. But most of all, Happy New Year's. And I welcome everyone along with your Twitch whānau. I hear Solitaire is a good game. Might even try out the part 2. Spoiler Solitaire. Cheer, my bro. Hope you're well. Happy New Year's. Okay, time to round the arm. So, oh, sushi. Thank you. Ooh, salmon. Even if it's not good, I'll still watch it. Fair enough. I just want to see Tony Jaa throw his weapons away and ong-buck the monsters. Something tragic has happened to whānau. And unfortunately I have to endure it, which is kind of sad. Hard catchy. Oh, hard brother. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately something has happened, as I was saying before. My daughter's discovered High School Musical. We've watched it 4 times so far. Not a fan. Not a fan. But luckily there's one gleaming beam of light, hope I would say. Ferdinand the Bull. She likes that, so when that's on I try and enjoy it as much as I can. And I think it's gonna stick around for a long time too far now. I'm like, no! I tried to stick Toy Story on, she was like, no. No Moana. Nah, she's over Moana. Luckily she's going through a farm animal phase and Ferdinand saved the day. True struggles. I'm truly sorry about that discovery. Oh man. I was like, please no with the dancers. Never mind soaring. Could see the pain in your eyes. Tour of Duty. Oh no. What do you do with the woodcracks? You fill them. Want to watch Avatar? You're lucky. I'm just lucky I get to watch Ferdinand. Because she looked at Ferdinand when he's all grown up and she looked at me and she goes, Orite, which means the same in our language, and I went, Duh! Hey, I'm big. But you don't have to say it. It's like the nerve. Frozen was the first phase of my little ones, 24/7. Yeah. Yeah, same for me too, bro. It was 1 and 2, and then the obviously what is it? Like the special ones they had, like the Christmas one. I was like, oh, I'm sick of seeing their faces. Oh yes, please. No. All good. Start singing High School Musical songs in stream. If it happens, tell me end the stream. Not gonna lie, they are pretty catchy though. If I start singing High School Musical songs on stream, I've had an all-time low in life. Freedom. She's not even keen, bro. So probably not. I don't mind though. She can show herself when she's ready. I almost said that too. Yana. What team? What team? Nice and sealed. Okay. Yoink. If Fox mentions the stream ends. Yeah, not gonna lie, he's pretty muscly now. I seen Baywatch. Him and old G.I. Dwayne. I'm Anton. Oh, Anthony? Thank you very much for the sub, brother. And hey, and Turtle as well. Cheer for the calm vibes. Cheer, my bro. Thanks for the 6 months. Okay, gotta end the stream. Ah, he's got a mean build though. But G.I. Dwayne looks ridiculously huge as always. Ah, he suits it. Have cracks in the wood ever ruined the project? No, even if there's cracks in the wood, you still gotta carry on, install it. James Sire, thank you very much for the 2 months. Oh, I'm having a good day, man. Hope you are too. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's, brother. And you too, Toroa. I see you in there. Too, my bro. Thank you for the 5 months, brother. Hey. Finally got affiliate as well. Hey, Shmeen, brother. Cheer, too much, my bro. Okay, let's clean this arm. So that's the arm. It's going to bend over that way. Boom. Real sick native guy. Yep, just don't close the main window. Real sick native guy. Thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Thank you, my bro. That's what I want to make on stream. That horn you heard? It's pretty easy to make. So this song is dedicated to the Māori Queen when she was alive, before her son took the mantle after her funeral. Well, it's about all our loved ones that have passed on. Who is shouting? YouTube. Truth, even. Bye, say. Yeah, it's a song, but it's not anyone over the fence. How cool was it doing that interview about your streams? The Red Bull one? Yeah, it was fun. They were really cool. They weren't like in my face as I thought people usually are. Tiago, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you, my bro. Oh, Donnie, eh? I'm still waiting for him to say, yep, it's my birthday. Okay, now that we've cleaned the majority of this kind of stuff off, we're just gonna like tuck the top of the arm into the clip. Oh, the hands, forehead himself. I think you're missing one more number. Hey! Totally love your work. Keep it up. Love from Colombia. Hey, thanks, Best Killer. And Happy New Year's, brother. Happy New Year's, everyone that's just joined. There you go. Not saying you should, but the mods have the power to time out this Donny guy. Oh, that's from JT. Damn. Our man getting international shade. All good, KV. Have a good one, brother. Now, you may have seen quite a bit of timber came out here, so all you have to do is, if there's a sudden drop, start it back a bit and even it out. Easy, simple fixer-uppers. There we go. So we don't want to touch this section too much, so what we'll do, because there's a bit of a knot here as well. To make you hydrate. Oh, good. Hucker Redeem's coming soon. Audible! Love me some Audible. Cheer Bean for the bits, brother. Thank you, my bro. I'm gonna say it again, Fano. Happy New Year. Hope you've had a good one. I've been watching a lot of Origin PC builds. They do some mean work, especially on the case. It's pretty buzzy. So what will this represent? Odin from Assassin's Creed. Wade Games, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Rub, it was, or Ruby, it was from Warlords. Had the potential to be such a good one, and then Gul'dan and then Crazy Goat Lady came along after the whole thing that happened on Journal. That's why I feel like Magha Paladin might be a thing, if it ever is, because of her. Okay, how's your arm looking? Just stroke Odin's beard. It's my first time doing a beard too, like carving one. I was like, phew, not bad. On average, how long? It all depends how much time you put into it, brother. I don't really, like, if I was to go hard out on this piece off stream, because that's what I usually do, because I got no one to talk to. Won't take long, like maybe just over a week. Did you see the new cinematic? No, Valoon, not yet. I might do a react stream. I've never done one of those yet. I'll be a reaction Andy. That's the one that got data mined recently, eh? Oh, I don't smoke at all, brother. Waste of time doing that. Oh, for me anyway. Don't really have interest in it. Ever slipped up and... Nah, never hit my thumb. Never had a splinter. Is that a Viking? Yep, it's Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I have not yet played the game, but anyone that has, I hope it's good. I was thinking about this carving over the break, and I was thinking maybe a dark stain. Saifu, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated, man, and Happy New Year's. If I was mean seeing Squirt in the stream the other day, I missed that fight. Oh, anyway. Hey, hey. Sure, correct. What country do you live in? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Cheer the cheesecake. Just cutting out this arm. We can start rounding. We might actually start rounding soon. Just do a rough mould of this. From the 3D model, none of the arms are designed. The only main parts that are designed are the chest and probably the body and the base. Belzino PvP04 and Demon Dougie. Happy New Year's, guys, and thank you very much for these subs. You didn't have to, you can watch for free here, but much appreciated, whānau. Thank you very much. Okay, that's that done. We'll mark out the cloak on the top and then we'll get rounding the body. Hey Osuki. If I started reading that what's it called? Ragnarok? Wow, looks mean, eh? Especially old Thor. He's my favourite so far. I don't know if anyone else is reading it, but damn, it's good. Get it. How does one become a New Zealander? I think you go through like legal stuff, eh? No, I haven't read the latest one yet, my bro. Not yet. Mean? Sure, VC Reg. Okay. Reg have HK. Sure, my bro. Jeez, sorry, brother, if I missed your name up. I think I'm half asleep. We'll go to bloody sleep fully then. Bloody egg. Nah, go to sleep, brother. It's all good. Still got a lot of rounding to do. A lot of rounding. So that arm's not so square. Yo, Bane. What's up, brother? Yo, much appreciated, man. How's it looking from your angle, Fano? Where's the dono button? Lag the game, bro. Oh no. Desirable bottom. Thank you very much for the sub. Jeez, I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. Quick bag lag every 2 seconds. It's tilting, really tilting. Viking! There's no need for this hype train, guys. Especially with the lag. Don't waste your money. There we go. How do you play games on your stream? If you look at past broadcasts, you'll see, yep, I play a game. Or two here and there. Scam train. Okay. Yeah, don't sub, guys. Or throw bits. It's not worth with the connections. And I want you to hold on to your money because it's still festive season. Go and have fun if you can. Or buy a new game. Okay. Jammy. How's it look from your angle? Find it. Does it look good? Is it all good? There's no good games, bro. Oh, it depends what you like. I really enjoy WoW, so that's my good game. Come on, you can find one. Okay, that's gonna be us, Fano. Sorry, really sorry about the lag.